Hey, Steve Basic Architect. We're out here in our house in the woods. Let's talk about soffits, ventilated roof systems, and a detail that I like. So you can see here, we simply did some 1x slats. There's an insect screen behind that. So each one of those 3/4 inch lines is in fact a ventilation strip. And then you can see running up the soffit, we have pretty much the same detail running up there. But one of the things I like to do is, rather than have this large pork chop at the end, I tuck the pork chop out down inside at the plane of the wall, but I just extend the sloping roof out beyond the gable end wall here for the rake. So we get that nice big overhang, but I don't get that big pork chop here in the corner, and I just think it looks a little bit better. All right, Steve Basic Architect out here at our house in the woods.